Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Amina and her loving mother, Fatima. Ramadan, the month of fasting, was approaching, filling their hearts with anticipation and joy. As Ramadan arrived, Amina and Fatima eagerly welcomed its blessings. They woke up before dawn to partake in suhoor, sharing simple meals and prayers together. Throughout the day, they fasted side by side, feeling the unity and spiritual growth that Ramadan brings. One evening, as they sat down for iftar, the meal to break their fast, Amina noticed her mother looking tired and weary. Concerned, she asked, "Mother, why do you look so weary? Is something troubling you?" Fatima smiled warmly at her daughter and replied, "My dear Amina, Ramadan is a month of giving, of sacrifice, and of love. And today, I want to share with you the true essence of this beautiful month." She then brought out a small pouch containing their savings for Eid celebrations. "Amina, my beloved daughter, I've been saving this money to buy you a special gift for Eid. But today, as I was walking through the village, I saw a family in need. They have been struggling to make ends meet, especially during Ramadan. I realized that they need this money more than we do." Amina's eyes widened with admiration for her mother's selflessness. Despite her own desires, Fatima chose to sacrifice their Eid celebrations to help those in need. Tears of pride welled up in Amina's eyes as she hugged her mother tightly. Moved by her mother's act of kindness, Amina made a decision. She took her own savings, the money she had been collecting for weeks, and placed it in the pouch alongside her mother's. "Mother," she said, "let us share our blessings with those who need it most. Together, we can make a difference." Touched by her daughter's generosity, Fatima embraced Amina with tears of joy. In that moment, they realized that the true gift of Ramadan was not in material possessions, but in the love, compassion, and unity they shared. Throughout the rest of Ramadan, Amina and Fatima continued to give selflessly to those in need, embodying the spirit of generosity and sacrifice. And when Eid arrived, their hearts were filled with joy and contentment, knowing that they had made a difference in the lives of others. As the crescent moon of Eid shone brightly in the night sky, Amina and Fatima prayed together, grateful for the blessings of Ramadan and the gift of each other's love. And in that moment, they knew that their bond would forever remain unbreakable, united by the teachings of Ramadan and the values of compassion and generosity.